Good afternoon. It was a stormy night last night. The Mumbles is fairly exposed on the South Wales coast, recording a gust of 93 miles an hour, but at Cranwell in Lincolnshire and Langdon Bay in Kent, the gusts exceeded 70 miles an hour, which is fairly unusual. The morning broke with the strongest winds to the east of the Pennines, but those strongest winds have now moved away. We're left with a strong to gale force wind today, but the emphasis for the strongest winds by tomorrow will be across Scotland, but it's the change in wind direction most of us will notice. With a northerly setting in, it's going to turn colder. So we're going to see some frost by night through Thursday and Friday, but I think the cold snap will be fairly short-lived, with wild air winning out again for the weekend. Now, it's not just unsettled in the British Isles, but also many parts of Europe are catching a lot of rain and wind at the moment. This weather system that affected us yesterday is now sitting across the Alpine regions into Scandinavia. It'll continue to bring some very unsettled weather here for the next couple of days. By Friday, perhaps a ridge of high pressure across the British Isles. But certainly for today, plenty more showers to come. This is the current scene across northern England. The showers really where we don't need them, across the Welsh mountains, up through the Severn Valley once again in towards the Midlands. So the showers have been packing in through the day. The rain isn't as extensive as yesterday, but there are some hefty downpours still to come. As you can see, some of the areas with the heavier showers at the moment along the south coast as well. So a very unsettled afternoon ahead of us. Some heavy downpours with hail, with thunder, sleet and snow over the higher ground, and with a gusty wind continuing, it's a fresher, cooler feel for most of us. And we've a colder night to come tonight, a touch of grass frost perhaps in some sheltered parts of Northern Ireland and parts of England and Wales as well. But around the coast we'll keep a fair breeze, some showers along the south coast and a band of more persistent rain with snow on the hills pushing across Scotland. And that'll be around with us tomorrow. In fact, for many of us, it'll be a colder day as the wind turns round more to the north. There'll be sunshine, there'll be showers, some sleet and snow in the showers, even as far south as the West Country moors, for example, and snow even at lower levels across northern Scotland late in the day. But that does show some sign of a relief from the rain through Friday, a ridge of high pressure around, so some fine weather, albeit rather cold. But that's not set to last, because rain and cloud will sweep its way northeastwards through Saturday, snow over the higher ground. Hopefully a drier day on Sunday with some sunshine, but we still do have plenty of severe flood warnings.